Can I put my paper? Mother! You just broke my thumb!
Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. It's your fault. We're gonna go down to the ground. It's your fault. It's your fault.
No, I didn't. I was a member. I didn't.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're only being detained.
Okay, the second one.
Hey, how's it going? Put your arms behind your back. Put your arms behind your back.
What's happening?
Get this up.
Excuse me? Why?
You're being detained right now.
For what? Excuse me?
For theft. That's what we're looking for.
Theft?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, Judge, can you please help?
Can I put my paper? Mother! You just broke my thumb!
Imagine walking into a Walmart where intense retail theft unfolds right before your eyes. What happens next shows the harsh realities of law enforcement in action. Officers arrive swiftly, witnessing suspicious activity and following every move closely. From concealed electronics to unusual bagging habits, the tension builds as they prepare to intervene.
Yeah, I'm working a detail today specifically for shoplifting, retail thefts and whatnot, so I'm gonna get your information and then we're gonna go from there, okay?
We're gonna send out to 2012.
I'm gonna go with my crippled friend, right, in the wheelchair.
Say that again?
I'll get to go with my crippled friend and it's in the wheelchair, right?
Well, let's get your name and information first, and so go ahead, take a seat for me. Do you have an ID on you?
Yes.
So, what'd you guys see?
So I was one that watched. So we saw what we thought to be concealment in electronics, but we didn't have confirmation on it. We saw concealment again in pets. Didn't have confirmation. Couldn't see the product actually entering the bag. So we followed her up to the SCOs.
Let them talk, please.
Whenever she got to the SCOs, we watched her scan a few items and then put everything else into bags without ringing it up. Once she exited our last point of sale, we made it stop, and then we just looked through the receipts that she did have, folded the stuff. We watched her just put it directly in the bag, pulled it off the shelf, put it right in the bag. And they're getting the training receipt right now from it.
There wasn't anything taken directly.
Do you have an estimated amount?
So I just talked to Shoplifter, and he told me that it's at least over $300.
Okay.
So they should have that soon, I would imagine. They should be at the last edition.
Okay. Alright, cool, thank you.
When it comes to shoplifting, the numbers matter. Here, the estimated loss tops $300, pushing the case into felony territory, a turning point that changes everything.
No, ma'am. You let me talk.
No, you're gonna stand up and let me talk. Turn around. Turn around, put your hand.
Am I going to do?
I don't know, we need to talk and figure some stuff out, but you're not gonna talk over us right now, okay?
Okay, but I'm not telling the truth.
Okay. Well, they have video of everything, so that'll make it easy.
Watch as the officers make the arrest official. This isn't just a slap on the wrist. Felony retail theft carries serious consequences. The suspect's weekend plans, now they include jail.
Not yet.
So, Kelsey, you are under arrest for retail theft, okay? They have the itemized receipt, and it looks like it was over $500. Alright, so that is a felony amount, so you will be going back to the police station with me, okay?
And then after the police station, where?
Probably to jail.
For the weekend?
Most likely, yeah. This is a felony arrest.
I know, but I don't have any of my medication or anything.
Okay, I'll notify the jail. Do you have an EpiPen? Is that correct?
No, it's not EpiPen. I take like 30 minutes.
Okay. Well, whoever you live with or someone you can call to go to your house, they can always bring medication up to the jail.
Okay, I've got to talk to my.
Nope.
I've got to talk to my friend
Okay.
who is paralyzed. He's gonna about to be the one to go to my house.
Okay. We'll get in contact with him, alright?
Yes. So what made this all of a sudden me being in jail all weekend?
Because this is a felony.
Okay.
But behind every arrest, there's a human story. Medication concerns, emotional turmoil, and personal struggles remind us of the complicated reality both officers and suspects face.
Nope, sit down for me.
Can I put my paper? Mother! You just broke my thumb. My receipt. You just broke my thumb.
I already have all that.
Do you not understand how bad I have seizures and congestive heart failure? You don't. Because when you put me in there You don't give me the medications. None of them
If
do.
you're able to clear from Panera, can you assist for
All right, Kelsey, we're gonna go out to my car. My partner just showed up, and so he'll come in and take this.
Let me wheel that to the door.
You can if you want.
As the Miranda rights are read, the suspect's voice fills the room, explaining confusion over payment and the malfunctioning scan gun. This moment brings clarity and perspective to an intense confrontation. This video is more than just police procedure, it's a raw glimpse into the balance between justice and humanity. Stay with us to see how law enforcement navigates this complex landscape.
Stop. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. It's your car. We're gonna go down to the ground. It's your car. It's your car.
No, I didn't. Look, I was ready for it, okay? Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're only being detained. Okay, detention.
It's March the 29th, 2025. In broad daylight, officers are called to a busy CVS after reports of a group shoplifting. What happens next will keep you on the edge of your seat.
She's on the side.
She's outside?
Yeah, she's right by the McDonald's.
Oh, okay.
They're right by McDonald's.
They're by McDonald's?
Yeah. You got
Are you able to see them from here? Is that them?
Officers arrive with urgency, quickly settling into a tense standoff. Watch how they methodically identify the suspects, trying to keep control while building the case. Every second counts.
Nope. Three of you guys. Nope, doesn't matter. Stop right there, you're gonna go in handcuffs. Go right there, you're gonna go in handcuffs.
Okay, but I didn't-
Alright, I'm letting you know right here. You're being detained for shoplifting, alright?
I
So
didn't
let us know.
shoplift.
Okay, that doesn't matter.
do you mean?
Alright, stay over here. You're being detained.
What you mean? I didn't say nothing.
All three of you guys.
I didn't say nothing.
Well, we're gonna have to figure that out. We're gonna review cameras, IDs.
Okay,
I need
I
IDs.
didn't say nothing though. So
Alright, we're gonna figure that out. IDs.
You have your ID on
I
you?
didn't say nothing. What you
Okay,
I
well,
didn't
we're
walk
gonna
out with
figure
nothing.
that out. We're gonna figure that out right
Did
now.
I walk out with something? I didn't walk out
Can I
with
see your
nothing.
ID?
Were you gonna arrest me?
Show me your ID.
I have an ID.
Alright, we'll take names. I got no problem with that. At the moment, you guys will be being detained for possible
being
substance. Detained for
We're going to
possible.
arrest?
No, but you're being detained. You're not free to go. Okay? I can put you in handcuffs. I got no problem with that.
The suspects deny everything, but the officers are relentless. The moment the bags are pulled out for inspection, suspicion turns into undeniable evidence, revealing what's really inside.
Gotcha. Yeah, you got it carried it from there with all the stuff that you took? Gotcha. I can go ahead and put your hands behind your back. I want to start walking to my car. You're going to be detained at the moment until we'll be able to go talk to CVS, alright? Do you have anything on you that I should be worried about? No? No. I'll pat you down with the back of my hand. I'll take this from you. Thank you. You took this from CVS too?
No, that's you.
You said what? I'm sorry?
I was the register. My car was declined.
CVS? You didn't take nothing? So if you weren't in there? You
Thank
just
you,
went
thank
in though? Yeah? Okay.
So who did you go in with?
There's gonna be nothing.
Who did you
I
go
was
in with?
myself.
Oh, you went in by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what do you have in your bag?
Nothing. It's empty. Just 3 items.
3 items? Okay, and where are these 3 items from?
They're
From where?
CVS.
Okay.
Well,
I thought you said that you didn't take anything.
okay, well, just 3 items. I did.
Okay, well, at the end of the day, you still took something.
You'll see a moment of resistance, a push and pull between suspect and officer. But watch how the officers keep their cool, de-escalating the situation without losing control.
Detainer? She has stuff there too?
No.
Yeah, we could detain
No,
her.
I didn't. What you mean? No. What you mean?
Don't
I
do
didn't
this.
take. I didn't take.
Stop.
No.
We're not
I
gonna do
didn't.
this.
Look,
Stop
no,
resisting.
no,
You don't
look
need
at-
that.
no,
You
I
don't
didn't-
need that.
no,
You
no,
have
no,
stuff
no,
that you took
no,
from
I look. No, you can look. Look,
Stop.
I was
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. It's your car. We're gonna go down to the ground. It's your car. It's your car.
No, I didn't. Look, I was registered. I paid.
Stop.
I didn't
Stop
take-
resisting. Stop resisting. You're only being detained.
Okay, detain for
Stop
what? Detain for
resisting.
what?
Not yet. I haven't looked if he has anything. We're gonna go make contact with CVS.
charge if you keep
Okay, let's turn them up. I didn't
resisting.
Okay, but I didn't take.
You're under arrest. Stop resisting.
What you mean? I didn't take nothing.
Stop resisting.
I didn't take shit, bro.
Stop resisting, man. You're
I came with y'all for what?
gonna figure it out right
Now
now.
what? I didn't think shit though.
Alright, you want to go make contact with CVS and then see if you want to do a show up and then if this is their property?
Well, I was the register, right? I didn't take anything.
I'll get it for you. Hey Ramos, we're willing to proceed with charges, right?
I'm trying to do what? I see the.
Have a seat.
How much
Have a
am I
seat.
taking?
Have a seat.
Well, I'll change
Have a
the-
seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Oh, thank you.
On a busy afternoon after responding to a report of a shoplifting incident. Officer Daniels carefully collected the recovered merchandise, cosmetics, shampoos, and other items taken from CVS. Understanding the impact theft has on local businesses, he personally brought the items back to the store manager. With a reassuring smile, Officer Daniels handed over the recovered goods, reminding everyone that standing together against theft protects the community and keeps stores like CVS open for all. His simple act highlighted the commitment of law enforcement not just to catch wrongdoers, but to help repair the harm caused to one returned item at a time.
Hey, how's it going? Put your arms behind your back. Put your arms behind your back.
What's happening?
Get this up.
Excuse me? Why?
You're being detained right now.
For what?
Yeah, no, we have footage of her ticket switching, putting another ticket on another item. We've had
she had, I don't know if she bought it earlier or not, but I have consumption. She dipped it, or she tossed the product into an aisle, and then she just started eating it and everything.
Okay, but we can't prove that.
Yeah,
one.
of course.
yeah, we just have for sure ticket switching
And concealment.
and concealment. Yeah.
Yeah, she grabs whatever that is right over here, and then she'll conceal it in her purse.
And is the part of her concealing it on video too?
Yes, you'll see right here real quick. And she had like a knife too, that's why we also called you guys, or switchblade, whatever it is.
That's fine.
March the 29th, 2025, right here in this store, an elaborate ticket switching scheme unfolds, captured on camera. What starts as a simple visit quickly turns into a high-stakes investigation.
Excuse me?
For theft. That's what we're looking for.
Theft?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, Jetta, can you please help? For theft? He literally just paid for everything.
Yeah, I definitely paid for my stuff.
Excuse me?
Yeah, right. So we'll see what they.
Do you guys need a receipt?
Yes, we'll take everything.
Watch as this individual manipulates clearance tags, swapping prices to pay less, a crafty tactic known as ticket switching. But the sharp eyes of loss prevention caught every move, including moments where products were even consumed on the spot.
I don't see it, dude. We got money. I got money in my pocket here. No reason to steal.
Okay. Like I said, we'll figure it all out.
Well, when you are privy to crimes being committed,
Listen, I'm not privy. Listen, I did not have nothing to do. I promise you, dude. I don't even please.
he's going to talk to you about it. Don't worry. He'll talk to
Am I
you.
going to jail too for this?
I don't know. I can't answer that.
I literally paid for my stuff, dude.
Tensions flare as officers approach and begin detaining the suspects. Defiance turns to disclosure, bags are inspected, and resistance to authority plays out in real time.
I was paid. I don't know. I went back there, bought me a tire. I mean, like, I got a couple things. She got a couple things. I paid for them. Now that's it. And then you come snatch me up, and I'm like, I don't even like.
Well, you know why you're here. And you know why you're in handcuffs. Okay. We have reason to believe that you committed theft here at the Walmart. There's video evidence of you putting an item in your purse.
I did.
There's video evidence of you putting tags on merchandise that did not belong to that merchandise.
I
Paid a cheaper price.
I did switch that. He didn't know about that, honestly.
And that's why he's not in cuffs. Okay. So.
Facing undeniable evidence, the suspect admits to the scheme but appeals for understanding, explaining peer influence and regret. It's a critical moment revealing the complexity behind these crimes.
Remember.
Okay.
I'm sorry. That just sounds ridiculous to do it. I'm sorry.
So you went to the clearance aisle, you saw, hey, these prices are a lot cheaper, let me take these stickers and put them on higher priced items, is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess. It's not like I had a conscious stream of regular stream of consciousness about it. I just kind of thought, oh yeah, she did the thing. I wonder if that would work.
How'd that work out for you?
Has not yet.
Okay.
Don't plan on trying again.
Have you been arrested before for theft?
Yes. However, it was I forget the word for it. It was
Dropped, adjudicated?
yeah, it was dropped.
Okay.
I'm not.
Was it in Hillsborough County, Pinellas County?
It was Hillsborough.
Okay.
The security guard at the Walmart down there, we went to the same high school, and he had a picture of me looking at something that I later bought. But because I bought it later. The receipt didn't help me. I was window shopping one day for it, and then I went back to it. Anyways, it's a long story. I ended up paying a restitution of $20 whole for the bicycle highlight that I had already purchased.
How long ago was this?
A few months back.
Okay.
The bag stuff,
Yeah.
creams and sprays, no go.
Okay.
So if you want to leave the bag,
Some of them were already mine.
That's fine, but they can't go.
Oh, you can't take them. I got you.
In the event, right? I'd like
I got
to
you.
waste time.
You want to be ready?
So in the event that you do
Makes
have to go
total
jail, this is already out. You're gone.
Bag it up,
In the event they
send
say, hey, you're good, you're gonna get A-padded.
Which is totally what's gonna
We
happen.
just put this in another bag. Now you have 2 bags to take home.
That's totally fine. That's what's gonna happen.
So I'm gonna take you outside with me.
I'll double check that.
Okay.
Also, I'll give you the trespass paper that you took from
Yeah,
me.
I'll fill this up.
Yeah, okay, cool. I just don't want you to.
No, I'll fill this up for you.
Alright. Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Sorry.
The case concludes with procedural wrap up and a stern reminder. Attempts to manipulate the system come with serious consequences, and the community must stay vigilant.
She was charged with theft and ordered to pay a $550 fine.